Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a transparent background for your logo using Canva. You can either use the Uploads option on the left sidebar or simply drag and drop the file from your File Explorer. After uploading, click on the logo and go to the toolbar. If you don't see the option immediately, click Edit, and the editing panel will appear on the left. Select Background Remover, wait a few seconds, and your logo will have a transparent background. It's that simple. One thing to keep in mind is that Background Remover is a premium feature, so you'll need Canva Pro to use it. To export your logo, click Share, and then Download. You can choose SVG or PNG. Most importantly, make sure to enable the transparent background option. If you don't check this, your logo will be downloaded with a white background instead of a transparent one. Once you've enabled it, click Download. Canva will download the image to your computer. Open the downloaded file and you'll see that your logo now has a transparent background. Thank you for watching.